Want to have fast and reliable file synchronization without putting stress on your server? We take a closer look at Seafile in this video. Is Seafile worth using in 2026, or has it become too expensive to consider? Seafile is an open source, self hosted file synchronization application that aims for fast and reliable performance. By syncing file blocks rather than entire files, Seafile minimizes the need to synchronize large files, reducing bandwidth usage and speeding up the process. The application can either be installed on a personal server or through Seafile's cloud service. Now let's take a look at the important properties that still remained relevant today. Fast Delta Sync. C-File transfer-only modified file blocks for fast Delta Sync that is much faster than Nextcloud. Then, client-side encryption. It has end-to-end encryption of libraries to protect sensitive information. Versioning and snapshots. It has instant tracking and recovery of files to restore at any moment. It is self-hosting. It has complete control over your data for enhanced compliance and privacy. Enterprise-grade functions for Pro Plan. It has complete text search, role-based permissions, LDAP or AD synchronization, SSO, and clustering. For the pricing, it has Community Edition, which is open source and free without any restrictions on the number of users, although not including the enterprise functionality. For the Pro Edition, it has free license for up to 3 users, paid subscriptions needed for 4 or more users, starting from about $100 per year for small groups of users. For the Cloud Edition, it has various paid packages per user per month with advanced functions including CDoc collaborative environment. Now let's take a look at its pros and cons. For the pros, it has outstanding synchronization speeds, highly effective lightweight design that utilizes minimal CPU and memory idle resources. It has excellent security features, client-side encryption, and comprehensive audit trails. It is best for big files and development teams and for organizations with heavy compliance requirements. For its cons, the cloud-hosted version tend to cost more than regular cloud storage services for backups. Self-hosting demands technical know-how, command line use, and constant upkeep. GUI support is inferior to consumer cloud solutions. So, who should use Seafile? Choose Seafile if you require performance, high security, or self hosting. The app is ideal for developers, teams working with large files, and businesses that must control their data. In case you require a user friendly solution for cloud storage with a huge library of built in Office solutions provided by a consumer oriented service, go for a different one. Seafile is still a very relevant choice in 2026, especially when performance and security play key roles. Yet, it is not suitable for everybody because of self hosting requirements. Feel free to give Seafile a try through the Community Edition or a cloud version. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.